Hey, it's Automotive Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Ford Bronco door removal. It requires a 13mm hex socket and a bit of muscle. Now, just like the Jeep Wrangler, the Bronco features removable doors. The Ford Motor Company provides a toolkit as standard, regardless of the trim level, and it includes the hex socket you'll need to remove the doors. Now, John Milton from Bronco Nation is much obliged to explain the entire process in the following video, starting with the wire connectors. Release and pull them out. Use a 13mm hex socket to loosen the upper and the lower hinged bolts. Then lift the door vertically to separate it from the vehicle. And as you can see, these are the wires are being taken apart and separated from the vehicle. Now, in the case of the family-size Bronco, this Area 51 painted example, you'll definitely want the $350 optional door bags before placing the doors vertically in a cargo area. Remember to prep the trunk with the eye bolts, the retention harness, and the straps supplied by Ford with the bags. So this is what you get with the bags. You get the retention harness, the straps, the supply by Ford. So with all the four doors, now as you see, let's go through this and take a look. This is the wire harness that's coming apart, and this is now he loosen the bolts on the doors, and you're using the 13mm hex socket that comes with the vehicle. Now, as you see, you have to take the bag and then place it. Of course, you have to roll down the windows before you do this procedure. And once you do that, this is what you do. Then after taking out the wire harnesses, then you take the bag and put it upon the door just like that. And then the next step is now you're getting the bag ready, basically. So you're placing this up there so the bags can hold on to. And then you're placing the strap just like that, as you can see. And you have to put that all in place. The harness is all in place for the doors. And then back to the doors. Now, and these are the steps. And then you have to, and as you take the door off, just like that. And then you got to place it in the back. But as you see the wires are hanging out just like that. And then you do it again for the front door, just like that. And you see the harnesses are coming off. And then you see the doors are being placed. Quite simple. Not that hard. Now, with all four doors in the cargo compartment, pull the harness over the top of the doors. Strap them down, tighten them snugly, and you're good to go. Now, I had to bear in mind, however, that the four doors take pretty much all the available trunk space. It's also worth mentioning that the Bronco doors aren't exactly lightweight. At 45 to 60 pounds, 20 and 27 kilograms. Now, available from $28,500 to $33,200, excluding destination charge, the Bronco is available in 6 trims. If you ignore the first edition, which is sold out long ago, even the base model has got you covered with all of the essentials, including a 7-speed manual transmission with a crawler gear. Now, the stick shift isn't available on the 4-door model, and it can't be combined with the twin turbo V6 option just yet. Now, customers who want to roll your own transmission combined with the Sasquatch off-road package will have to wait until the latermost part of 2021 for the 2022 model year. Oh, and by the way, the advanced 4x4 with the automatic on-demand engagement requires the 10R automatic. Now, we know from a Ranger and from the F-150 pickups that this is the setup. Now, if you're serious about going off the beaten path, The list of options further include a winch mounting kit and a Warren Xeon 10 winch at $2,500. So this is amazing, and the Bronco is actually doing it, folks. The 2021 Bronco is, it's taking the world by storm. And we're gonna go back and just show the clips of this being done and the wire harnesses coming off. The one thing cool about the door, you have the soft spots where you can rest your elbow. You also have a place to put if you want to put your drinks up in here. Of course, it's got the netting, and you can put any other thing you can fit up in here. You can also put up there, and that is quite nice, folks. And this is the door bag being placed upon the front door. And this is the doors being in place, good and in place. And this is definitely, now the front door also being placed. Again, 40 to 60 pounds. So you got to be ready to lift it. And if you have a problem with lifting 40 or 60 pounds, get someone else to help you. As you see, you have to put the harnesses in place to hold the doors in its proper place. So that's why it cost I believe it's $350. Straight up awesome, folks. Just wanted to show you guys a quick clip of the again, this is the 13 millimeter hex socket taking the doors off the hinges. And this right here is the electrical wiring coming off too as well. And this is from Bronco Nation, showing you the car and actually showing you the SUV and showing you how to do it. And again, the 2021 Bronco, right now I don't know, I could imagine it being anywhere from 300,000 to 400,000 reservations right now for this SUV. It hasn't been out yet as far as on this day of December the 19th, 2020. However, the Ford Motor Company has been acting high and mighty in the past few months, shooting arrows at Jeep Wrangler before the Bronco was officially revealed back in July. Now, it's been 4 months since the body-on-frame sport utility vehicle was unleashed into the public, and reservation holders' numbers, of course, again, like I said, I could imagine it being really, really, really high. And the Blue Oval has to be exceedingly, exceedingly happy because of this. Now, there's no mistaking the Wayne Assembly Plant doesn't have the capacity to build these beautiful SUVs, which is why deliveries may extend all the way to 2022 calendar year. For reference, the Jeep Wrangler sold 228,032 units in the U.S. That was just last year, and the Jeep Wrangler is off the chain too. Now, however, think for a minute that reservations automatically translate to firm orders. A well-equipped Bronco is out of the reach of many people. And unless we forget, those who don't have the patience to wait for delivery can always pick up a JL or a JLU from a dealership lot. Speaking of which, Jeep has already went up forward with the PHEV option, and a Hemi V8 Wrangler is under consideration. Now, the build and price online configurator enables reservation holders to visualize the specifications they want for the all-new Bronco. Even the base trim can be upgraded with a Sasquatch package for $4,995. Now, this option adds the 35-inch tires, wrap-around 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 4.7 final drive ratio, electronic locking axles, high-clearance fenders, and a better suspension setup. The only problem with the Sasquatch package is that it's limited to the 10-speed automatic transmission. Now, for the time being, that is something that sometime in 2021 is when the 7-speed manual with a crawler gear will be available in this spec as a 2022 model, which means that the customers will have to wait until the 2022 model, of course, which I mentioned earlier. But that's not all. Consumer market manager Mark Gruber told Motor1.com that more options will be added to the configurator closer to that date, and when the order banks open. We're seeing huge demand for those accessories, and that's what Ford is saying. This is just an awesome An awesome pick, an awesome spec. And again, we're going to go back to this video, guys. I just want to say, and go back through the picture so you can just see how easy it is to take off the doors and put them in the bag. And guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Have a fantastic day and have a great holidays. Have a great year. 2021, stay healthy, stay strong, and much love. A Automotive Reviews.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.